devil is there to orchestrate your downfall or to look for your failures. Okay? But God is around to help you out. Okay? To encourage you. To build your faith. Okay? That's the purpose of the Holy Spirit. Is to lead you to truth. Okay, that was the Holy Spirit's job when Jesus left him there. Okay, to lead you into truth. And now God is presenting Job to Satan. God must have been really proud of Job and his achievements and his attitude and the way he looked at life and the way he served God. And God could depend on him. Okay, Satan says this to God in verse 11. He says, "But now stretch out your hand and touch all that he has, and he will surely curse you to your face." Okay? So Satan is challenging God to take everything away from him. Everything that he's worked for. His family. Everything that he's touched. Okay? And sometimes the devil does that to us. Okay? Because of whether it's God testing us, or it's sin in our lives, or it's something else that might lead to us losing something. Okay? The devil takes from us. Okay? Or things are taken from us, or people are taken from us. Whatever the reason is, and we can't question God, because God is the all-powerful God. There's no right to. Okay? So sometimes we lose things, and then we turn the wrong way. Remember that God chose you. But because now you've lost something, or lost everything, you've turned away from God. That God chose you, and His plan is still His plan. That He will do whatever He needs to do to make sure that you follow the plan. Alright? He will make or allow situations in your life to form the person that you are. To form the character. Now how you respond to those situations will be how your character is formed. If there's a death in your family, say, okay, and you know that you can't deal with it, but you also know that Jesus Christ is the Prince of Peace, and that the Holy Spirit came to comfort you, but you turn to alcohol to try and do that. Okay, so that's the comparison. You have